everybody? Welcome back to my page. It's Magic, and I'm here with
Rissy. Woo!
You sound like a horse. Welcome back to my page. Today we have a snack review or food review, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean? We have been searching for these snacks for like 2-3 days. Oh my gosh! But as you can see right here, we got the RAPSNACS. Alright. So yeah, we got the RAPSNACS. So what flavors do we have? We got Little Baby's cheddar cheese and sour cream. We have, what is this?
Biggie Smalls.
Biggie Smalls honey and jalapeno potato chips. Cardi B cheddar barbecue. You think that's gonna be good?
I feel like that might be kind of nasty. To be
Yeah, I like cheddar barbecue. Oh no, we going down. Alright, we got the Boozy Louisiana Heat cheese puffs. Now these I hear are really, really hot. Yeah. Really, really hot. But we're gonna see for ourselves. Next up, we got the vegan.
The slutty
vegan. Well, we got Slutty Vegan's jalapeno cheddar kettle chips. And last but not least over here, we have Notorious B.I.G.'s Cookout Barbecue Sauce. Oh yeah, and then we have the soda. Big Hawk's Fruit Punch. We're going to get that a shot too, you know. All that. Alright.
The honey jalapeno.
Ooh, alright, y'all.
I don't really have much of a smell.
And these are roughly like $2 a bag. They weren't too expensive.
Definitely tastes like honey.
Oh, that's smack. That's good. You don't like it?
No.
I think it's good. It's not too spicy.
It's not. It really just tastes like a honey chip.
Like a little zest. You feel me? But they're good. I'll eat the whole bag. I'm going to definitely finish this one. What did I grab? Oh! The cheese puffs! Little Boozy Louisiana Heat.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm a little spice sensitive, so let's see.
Ooh, these things is looking red.
Oh, these things got little quotes on the back of them. That's cute.
Y'all see this?
You can't change the world unless we change ourselves. And this one says, sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. And I heard the fuck out of that.
That's good too. That's fire. It's not like too hot, you know? You know? That's fire.
It's salty.
Yeah. Wait a minute. It's like they're soft cheese puffs.
They're not as spicy as hot Cheetos. I'll tell you that.
Way more subtle. They're good. They're good. Alright.
Cardi B!
Hey! These popcorn? No, potato chips. Okay. Cheddar and sour cream?
For the cheddar barbecue.
Sounds good. That sounds good. Alright, here we go.
This shit tastes nasty. I'm tired.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
I don't like it. At all. No.
Let me try one. How about that? That one so far was the least That.
Yeah, that's gross.
Okay.
Vegan chips.
The vegan. Vegan is a vibe. She ain't never lied. Alright, I'm expecting great things from these chips. Yeah. Great things. What is it again?
Jalapeno cheddar.
It tastes sweet, to be honest. Like, it's not nasty, but it's definitely not what I was expecting. I don't think Rissy likes it. No. Alright. Alright. Well,
Not giving anything.
it was a no. Alright.
Babies. Cheddar, sour cream.
It's like they all have similar flavors too.
They all look damn near alike. This one literally has no flavor.
Like barely any.
Like none. Just burnt potato chip.
No. It is like very subtle sour cream taste, you know, very subtle.
There's no cheddar cheese flavor. There was no sour cream. Don't let her fool you. Don't buy those.
Alright, y'all. Last but not least, the cookout barbecue sauce. Dang, I opened that all, thank you. Okay. It's gonna be sweet. These taste like burnt barbecue.
Tastes like it comes off the barbecue grill. It's not sauce necessarily. It's just barbecued meat.
Like, yeah, like barbecued meat for surely.
You can taste the hickory. There's one more thing.
There's one more item.
It's a soda.
I don't know if this is carbonated. It should be.
Mm-hmm.
Big Hawk.
Crack her open.
Let's go. This is $4. Oh God. Not one of those. Oh gosh. Here goes. What the?
Nasty. Incredibly nasty.
It's syrup water. Once again. Oh my gosh.
Honestly, at this point, exotic sodas are just nasty. They're not good. They're not. They're just not.
I don't know if you guys are just like, when you import them, y'all shaking them up. Or this is just not carbonated. Come on.
It didn't even taste like fruit punch, to be honest. It just tasted like syrup. Corn syrup. What was your favorite one?
My favorite one is probably the first one that we had. No, I like the cheese puffs.
I was going to say the cheese puffs are probably the best ones, followed by the cookout barbecue for me.
Little Boozy, you did that. These are the best ones. I don't care.
Yeah.
These actually had flavor. And they're not that hot, y'all.
Yeah, they're not.
I'll lie.
These RAPSNACKS are just not.
Cardi B, that probably was the nastiest one.
Yeah.
No? Nah, bruh. Cardi B.
No, Cardi's was hell nasty though.
These are cool, the honey jalapeno ones. But yeah, Boozy wins. Give it up for Boozy. Yep. But yeah, that's all we got for y'all. If you tried the Rap Snacks, comment below what's your favorite flavor.
Yeah.
And that's all, folks. Adios.